to what's been happening in Madhya Pradesh, where there's been a disturbing development because the death toll has now actually increased to 17 as the probe into these cough syrups remains ongoing. But there have been more casualties as a result of consumption of this cough syrup. The death toll has now increased to 17. Let me go across to my colleague Makran. Makran, what are the latest updates you're getting? क्योंकि जो death toll है वो अभी 17 हो गई है वहाँ पे.
बिल्कुल डेथ टोल 17 हो गई है और ये बढ़ती जा रही है. अभी फिलहाल जिस बच्ची का इलाज नागपुर में चल रहा था उस बच्ची की मौत हो गई है. 18 महीने की बच्ची थी और उसके बाद डेथ टोल जो है वो बढ़ गया है और अभी भी लगभग 9 बच्चे ऐसे हैं जो अलग अलग अस्पतालों में भर्ती हैं. हालांकि मध्य प्रदेश सरकार ने इन बच्चों की पूरा इलाज कराने का खर्च मध्य प्रदेश सरकार उठाएगी, लेकिन अभी तक जिन माँ बाप के बच्चों की मृत्यु हुई है वो सरकार की मदद से संतुष्ट नहीं है. वो ये चाह रहे हैं कि सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई कंपनी के खिलाफ और उन लोगों के खिलाफ की जाए जो इसके लिए जिम्मेदार हैं. अभी फिलहाल सरकार मुआवजे की राशि दे रही है और साथ ही साथ अब ये कहा जा रहा है कि जो बच्चों के इलाज का खर्च है वो सरकार वहन करेगी, लेकिन जो परिवार है वो खासे नाराज है और अभी भी जो मौतों की आंकड़े हैं वो लगातार बढ़ रहे हैं. पर कोशिश यही है कि बच्चों की जान बचाई जाए. जिम्मेदारों पर कार्रवाई के नाम पर अभी फिलहाल कंपनी पर FIR हो गई है और डॉक्टर को गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया है.
All right, Makran, thanks for that update. But disturbing development nevertheless in Madhya Pradesh. The death toll has climbed to 17. Now let's turn our attention to Tamil Nadu, where the administration there has also been taking some steps. The Food and Administration Department in Tamil Nadu has announced a blanket ban on the sales of cough syrup Coldrif. The company operates majorly from Kanchipuram district in Tamil Nadu, but they also have a branch in Coldrif area of Chennai as well. This is a report that's been sent in from my colleague Dharani.
The Food Safety and Drug Administration Department in Tamil Nadu has announced a blanket ban on the sales of cough syrup Coldrif. So this Coldrif is being manufactured in Tamil Nadu primarily by a company called Srishan Pharma. This company operates majorly from Kanchipuram district in Tamil Nadu, but they also have a branch here in Coldrif area of Chennai. This is considered to be the corporate office of this particular pharma company. In fact, now we just visited this address, the corporate address given by this company. We are reporting live from the location here in Coldrif. We are standing right in front of the company's corporate office, the address which they have mentioned in the internet where the corporate office is functioning from, but we couldn't see anybody here. And the security personnel who is deployed here, he says that for the past 3 days nobody is coming here, including the director Mr. Ranganathan G. For the past 3 days the company is empty is what he says. Let's wait and see how the situation unfolds in the coming days. But as I told initially, the Tamil Nadu government has announced a blanket ban on the sales of Coldrif across the state.